All right, reaching back and forth at the bag. Back and forth long as you can. One more light to turn on and I will be done screwing around. There we go. I don't know. Never done screwing around. All right. Straightforward. Over the front, nice and easy. Hang it out. Get your hamstrings woke up. Tell them who's boss. All right, up a little bit wider. Lean over to one side. Butt back, lean into it. And up over the other side. The superhero pose. I've never needed to land or do this ever in my life other than a stretch. But it seems like they're always needing to do this. All right, straight back up, over the front. Shoulders relax down over the front center. I'm going to say that a lot, apparently. Roll your shoulders around. Okay, back up. What is the actual plan? Let's get your heels up. Butt kickers. Heels up. All right. Turn an arm around. All of them, actually. Well, let's get the both other side. Nice, smooth turns. Don't get rocky or weird. Straight up overhead. Reach left. Reach right. Gradually pick up the pace with those reaches. Up. 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 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Stick a big lunge. Ready? Step. Boom. Video look okay. I didn't get a lot of time to tune it. Stand nice and tall. Stretch through this hip flexor if that's okay. If this is painful, don't overdo it. Just kind of wake it up maybe, but don't really sink deep into it if that hurts. I've had a few people now with, I didn't do it. They showed up to me like that with some hip soreness. All right, good. Straight at your bag, reach past your bag. Left to right, right to left. Get used to a full extension all the way across. Reach, reach. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight up, let's do some tall to squat. Roll out your back, get as low as you can. All the way back up. Some Rice Krispies in my knees this morning. Crunchy. Get your butt as low as you can. Little prayer squat. Give thanks to the squat gods. Back up. One more time. Down and hold. Let's roll it around down here. Squish and smash, smash and squish. Oh, I haven't. We might still have some people watching the recording. It is 12. My space bar is broken. Shirt. There we go. Wall angels. Up. Reach. Open. Back. Up. Open. Back. Did I turn off the up, open? That feels good. Not like really good, but pretty good. Did I turn off the graphic? No. There we go. All right. Putt kicker, squat holds, wall angels, lunge cross. Step into the bag, right foot, left hand reach, and back. Right foot, left hand reach, back. Left foot, right hand. Get that full extension and the rotation into the glute. And a reach. Back. And a reach. Back. And a reach. One more. Reach. Okay. It's time. It's push-up time. I apologize. Let's go. Come on down. Whoo-wee. Come on, get a plank wherever it is that you push up. And let's do it. 4, 8. All righty. What else can we do down here? Flip over on your back or sit if you're not a big fan of being on the floor. Straight back, long. Dead bug. Get as long as you can. Reach for a heel and then switch. Touch, touch, reach, reach, touch. Right hand, left heel, left hand, right heel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, my abs. Ooh. Abs get a lot of work. Back up. Straight squats. Just some nice, good. Up, down, up. 3. Head up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. We've done sumo pivot. It's time, and then we'll get to punching, I promise. Sumo squat. All the way down, elbows to knees, head up, shoulders wide, back straight, and go Egyptian. Woo! Oh, somebody's been using the pogo stick. That's good. All right, sumo. Yes, we have a pogo stick. And Egyptian. 90-90 in the knees if you can. If not, stand it up. Sumo. One more each side. You ready? Egyptian. And sumo. Egyptian. And relax. It burns. All right, water, hitting mittens. Let's give it the biz. All right. Gloves on. Focus of the day. Speed of, a match. That's awesome. Whoops. Probably should wear 2 of the same gloves. At least different hands. Focusing on speed of punch. So, not power. I'm not looking for... That'll come with speed, okay? I want that quick, snappy punch. Like you're only sinking in maybe a 1/4 inch into that bag, okay? But I want it, boom. Bag doesn't even know you've been there. Ready? Here we go. Just jabs. Get your stance. Open your stance up. You ready to get moving? Other hand up, dominant hand up. Make sure you're punching them in the nose. Okay, when you punch, open up that stance just a bit, okay? Step into it. Again, not hitting hard, snappy. If you're not ready to be snappy, slow it down a little bit. Don't take your eyes off of them. Cross, you ready? Again, good full reach, snappy. Oh, almost tripped. Straight in, straight back. None of this, none of this. I went beep, boop, like you're reaching down a tube. Immediately back to your shoulder. This is not good. When they get used to that, they're going to wait for you to do that and then punch you in the side of the head. Step and turn. Quick. One more. All right, I have a bad habit taking my eye off the bag. Keep your eye on them. Okay, let's do front hooks. Again, not hitting hard. If you got a hanging bag and that thing's just swinging all crazy, you're hitting too hard for today. Bring your hand right back. Twist your whole body. Come on. Drop in with them on that hook. A couple more. Okay. Right hook. Rear hook. Turn, pop, right back. Like you are, like a tuning fork. You're going, bing, and you want to hear if your punching bag is in tune. Strange thought. Okay, here we go. Snappy, not hitting super hard, hitting fast. Snap, right hook, rear hook. All right, I got a habit dropping too low. It's a waste of energy because I'm having to go down, up, around. So down, pop, down. Did it again. Okay, uppercuts. No wasted energy. Kind of like, excuse me. Uppercuts, front uppercut. Like watching, what are those ad programs? Anyway, can't come up with a word. Here we go. Hands up, whole time, hands up, and front upper. Fast. Rear uppercut. Then we're going to get into our program for the day. Rear upper. Pick them up. Boop. Just slightly. Sort of hop them in the chains. Here we go. What is it called? It's a TV show that's an advertisement. He asked the people with no fingers. Too tight. Pick up that bag just a tiny bit. Or, all right. Little drink of water. Let's get on with our funsy. Whoops. All right. Okay, you ready? 2020. Oh, Baba Wawa. 2020. Okay. Jumping jacks. Well, here we go. We're going to do something non-punchy and then something punchy. Sound fun? I'll pull this closer so it doesn't look like I'm staring off into the vapid distance. Okay? Here we go. Let's do jumping jacks. 20 jumping jacks. If you ain't got a jump, step. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe. Switch jacks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Hook jab. All right, the way this works, step in for your rear hook, jab your way out. Not that much. Don't actually fall backwards. So, hook jab. Hook jab. Hook jab. Hook jab. Push yourself back. Let's get 20 of them. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Don't waste that jab. 3, 2, 1. Good one. Good one. Okay. Like you got a rope running through the room right at shoulder height, you're going to do duck unders. If you're feeling saucy, throw a punch into it. So like there's a rope running right about here, and you're going to, if you want, throw a punch. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, under 11, under 12, under 14, under 15, under 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That was pretty good. Get your head movement. Get your whole body movement. All right. Jab cross. Step in for the uppercut. Got it? So good distant jab cross. Want you to step up next to him. Hammer him with a rear uppercut. Here we go. Jab cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uppercut. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 11. Jab cross. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. Come on, forward. 17. Step. 18. 19. 20. Oh, love the uppercut. Shin kicks. All right, we hadn't done this before. You're kind of in your normal boxing stance. Rear foot's going to come around and sort of kick it with your shoelaces. Make sense? So, wham, it's all the way around. Let's go. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a whip kick. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. Your back. Rotate through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With your shoelaces. 8, 9, 10. Oh, hey. It's okay. Our visitor's here. Should be like speedy delivery or somebody. Yeah. All right. We're doing 2020. And I'm already dying. Laura's floating around in the background. Just, act normal. Yeah. Jab, hook, hook, bam, bam. Jab, hook, hook. Ready? Here we go. 20 of them. 2. 4. Breathe with it. 6. 7. 8. I'm hitting too hard. 10. Faster. 12. 13. 14. 15. Straighten out your hands. 6. 7. 8. Last one. 20. I'm dying. So no smacking. You don't want to hit with your fingers. Line up, fist, wrist, elbow. All right, squats. Good Lord. What stupid idea was that? Squats. 20 of them. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, knees crack. 5, butt down as low as you can. 7, 8, 9, 10. Hinge from your back. No, don't hinge from your back. Hinge from your hips. Back straight. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sink your butt down. 5, 6. Keep your knees where they are. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good Lord. Jab, cross, jab, uppercut. Your choice of uppercut. If you want, you can alternate it. Front uppercut, rear uppercut. But jab, cross, jab, uppercut, 20 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your whole body. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. Step in to the uppercut. 12, 13, 14, 15. Pick the bag up a little bit. 17, 18, 19, 20. Who thought up this mess? All right, side kicks. Bag straight out your side. Lean kick. If you're wobbly, stand near a chair. These are easy to fall down from, but you got to lean and kick. Kick. Ready? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got to lean. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't care. 10. Other side. Ready? 1. Lean with it. 2, 3, 4. Still breathing. 5, 6. Hit with your heel. 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Makes my butt hurt. Not like that. What are we doing? I'm lost track. I think I just did the wrong thing. Jab, cross, upper, upper. So front, back, 20 of those. Step in for the uppercut. Hop that bag just a little bit. Jab, cross, upper, upper. One time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get that front upper. 8, 9. One more. 10. Now 10 more. Okay. 11, 12, 13. Focus on your jab. 14, 15. Now your cross. 16, 17. Now the front uppercut. 18, 19. One more. 20. If your hips aren't working, you're not working. Front punches, foot punches. Standing, kick, punch your foot with the opposite hand. Capiche? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full reach. 6, 7. You come on through. 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Yeah, you can go there. 14, 15. 5 more. Kick them up. Reach. 17, 18, 19, 20. You ready? I have no idea what we're doing next. Okay. Cross, uppercut, hook. So a straight through cross, front upper, rear hook. Now again, make sure your knuckles, wrist, and elbow are lined up for that hook. So cross, upper, hook, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reach for that cross. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Get a good uppercut. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2 more. Last one. And stagger off and not fall down. Do your opponent's job for them. Sumo hook. One of my favorites. Sumo squat. Stand up and do it. We got plenty of time. Oh, man. Sumo squat straight in front of your bag. Stand up and hook. So it's a big twisting stand up hook. Get some whopper hooks out of this. 20 of them. You ready? We got sumo. 1, 2, 3. Alternate sides. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 11, 12. Pull that other foot back behind. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. One more. 20. My glutes are killing me. Front lunge. Great. Yeah, front lunge with a punch. It's like you're throwing a pitch punch. Sounds like a tantrum. A pitch punch. Long step, left foot, punch with the right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Long punch. 4. Pull it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bigger step. 9. One more. 10. Switch feet. Other foot forward, hitting with the other hand. 1, 2, 3. Fast punch. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. One more. 20. Oh, you guys are killing me today. Jab, hook, upper cross. What the hell? Jab, hook, upper cross. Let's do that. Jab, hook, upper cross. Okay. High jab, low hook, low upper, high cross. Let's go. 1, 2, jab, hook, upper. 3, jab, hook, upper. 4, it's complicated. 5, 6, 8, 9, step in for the hook and upper. 10, 10 more. 11, 12, 13, jab, hook, upper. 14, jab, hook, upper. 15, 16, your hands up. 17, 3 more. 18, 19, hook up. 20. This is brutal. Who thought of this stupid workout? Flutter kicks. All right. Let's lie down for a little while. Flat on your back or in your chair. 20 flutter kicks. Ew. Nasty down here. Whoa. Oh yeah, no hands under your butt. Makes it easier. Let's go. 1, 4, 8, 12, 16, I think. 19, 20. Whoa. Back up. Need a lot of practice getting up and down off the floor for boxing if you suck at it. Slip, hook, jab, cross. So slip dominant, slip to your dominant side, dominant hook, jab, cross straight in their face. So you're slipping just to get out of the way. One punch coming through, taking advantage of that gap in their ribs. Let's get 20 of those. So we got slip, hook, slip, slip, hook, jab, cross, slip, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Little break. 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. Jab cross. 17. I forgot to slip. 18. 19. And 20. Jab cross. Little insult to injury. All right. Last two, 19 and 20. And save the best for last. This plank's for you, Jim. Come on down. 30-second plank. I recommend the planks on your elbows, not on your hip mittens. You'll smush your mittens. You ready? Elbows and go. Somebody pay attention to what time it is. I didn't pay attention. I'll just count. 2, 5, 3. Hold what you got. Breathe deeply. Butt down. Tighten up your glutes. I know your glutes are on the wrong side of your body for this, but do it anyway. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, wow. No throwing up. Back up. Jab, cross, hook, and upper. Big finish. Front, back, front, back. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Step in for the hook and uppercut. Hit with your hips. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast jab, cross. 5, 6, 8. Breathe with it. Move around. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. One more. 20. And hug. Good God, who thought of that one? All right, keep your gloves on. We ain't done yet. Take a little break, get some water. I move the floor. I always risk drowning doing this. If there was only a way to get the water from the cup to my mouth, like with a tiny pipe, genius. I feel like a 3-year-old. I have tried to drown myself before. I pretty much poured it into my lungs. All right. Lot of punches. We got 7 minutes. Plenty of time. All right. In and 10. That's a good one. Relax your hands while you're here. What I'm going to do, I want you to close in on the bag from a little ways away. Close in. 10 good punches. Good whopper punches. Count them out. And then back off again. This is called instant bar fight. Okay? In and 10. We're going to do, 5 of them. Here we go. Ready? Go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back off. Back to your beer. And go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back off. Go get them. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back off. 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. Go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get them used to one pattern, and then hit them with 1 extra. Last one. Get them good. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Bells rung. Bar fight over. All right, last one. 2 punches. Squat. 4 punches. Squat. 6 punches. Catch on the pattern here. Up to 20. Good square squat in between. Here we go. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, that was 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2 more rounds. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Last round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. I think that'll do. Gloves off. He's so humid. Ridiculously humid. Yes. We'll put those up. Screws up the lighting. It does. It smells bad in here. Yeah. Okay. Let's stretch it out and then we're done. Fingers back. Fingers back to the other side. We tend to hang on to your gloves the whole time. So you got to relax your hands when you can and only grip for the punch. Otherwise, your hands are just going to be meat. Straight over the front, a little bit wide. Oh, man. Let your shoulders relax, but do hit your hamstrings pretty good. Oh, my gosh. Leaking. Back up. Across the front. Big hand all the way across. Grab hold of your elbow, your arm, knee. How do I do that? You can turn in to your shoulder. All right, other hand. Out, across, yoink. Turn your head into the pain. All right. Arm out up against your bag. We are just about done. And lean in. Long stretch, stand up tall. You just kicked your own butt. That's something to be proud of. Big hand, big stretch, roll towards it. All right, other side. This is always weird. Without y'all having to look at my butt, or maybe only just half of my body. Probably better half of my body than my butt. Turn into it. Gosh. Looks like I forgot to take off my clothes when I took a shower. All right. 2 more, fellas. And Bonnie. Overhead. Lean in. Oh, Joanne's out there too. Sorry, Joanne. And Michael. All right, let's finish it off. All the way up. Roller coaster. Oh, my ribs. No, they can't hear it though. Can y'all hear the music? Not enough to get me in trouble. It's just random Pandora. I know. Straight up and over and down. All right, relax it first. And then tighten it up. In theory, I've heard some freaks of nature can put their hands on the floor, but I think that's only in the circus. All right, back up. We've had enough. I think I've leaked like 2 pounds of my own weight. All right, you guys had your fun? I have. It's been a joy. That was Thursday. We'll be back on Tuesday, do remarkably the same thing, but totally different. Anything, Laura?
Yay, go team.
Go team.
Follow us on social.
Yes. If you're not a friend, follower, disciple of ours on Black Dog Fitness, get your butt over there. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn,
Yes.
MySpace. Are we on that?
No.
AOL? No?
No.
I never know. Like posts, like us. All right, that'll do. I'll be around for a little bit if you got any comments, questions, modified swear words. Good work. We'll see you guys back on Tuesday. Have a good weekend.